So according to the Times of India article, first year college student to be promoted without exam in Uttarakhand. Absolutely right, the article published in the Times of India. Here is mentioned Dehradun several colleges and University of Uttarakhand have decided to cancel the exam of the first year student and promote them to the subsequent classes. Such institutes are going to evaluate the first year student based on their performance in the internal assignment or project work. On the other hand, the DAV College and Sri Guru Ram Rai PG College have decided to do the same. Meanwhile, the Uttarakhand Open University, that means COU, has decided to hold the exam only for its final year student, while the remaining ones will be promoted. The final year student of the UU will be giving the examination on OMR seat in offline mode. That means UU will be conducting only final year and final semester student examination, and the remaining student like first year and second year student to be promoted on the basis of assignment or internal assessment examination. You can check this article by your own self. The link is video description. Go right now. That means UU first year and second year student to be promoted on the basis of assignment. About more than 20,000, it is not sure, but more than 20,000 students of the first and second year or semester registered in the Uttarakhand Open University will be promoted to the next classes on the basis of assignment. If a candidate is not happy with his and her marks, then he or she will be get a chance to take an improvement examination. They will be awarded theory marks based on the marks of assignment. The Vice Chancellor said that the separate back examination form can be filled for the improvement of marks. That means in addition to the first year and second year of the Uttarakhand Open University, the first year postgraduate student, yani first semester postgraduate student, will be promoted to the next classes or next semester, that means second semester. But one more thing that is important, this opportunity will not be available to the student who do not submitted online assignment examination. Then he or she will have to apply for the back exam in future. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Uttarakhand. So guys, that's it in this video. If you think this video gonna helpful for you, do hit the like button, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell icon to get for more regular update. Firstly, stay tuned and stay connected.